Feel the power. Go for it. Here we go.
Okay, mommy, install the battery. Install the lithium-ion battery. Okay. Alright, turn it on. Yeah. The controller is yours. I want to hear the robot talking. Or the creature, the monster creature. Yeah. Nice. Alright. Mommy, can you move the head? You can't? The arms? Yeah, you can move the arms. How about the legs? Walking like a zombie. Yeah, it's a zombie. It's a zombie. Okay, cool. Okay, let it talk again. Alright. Nice. Okay, switch it off, mommy. Go on. Alright. Now let's drive the truck. Yeah. Hey, Maya girl. That is so cute. It's Olaf. Olaf the snowman. Wow, it's big. Is he huggable? Yeah. Is he soft? Maya girl. So cute. Do you like Olaf? Yeah. Why? Why? Why do you like Olaf? Who are you looking at?
Mommy.
Oh, it's Mommy! Mommy Rhea! How are you?
I'm good.
Alright. Oh, you can move the arms, Maya? That's cool. There's a tag! There's still a tag! The tag is not yet cut. Or cut off.
Ouch. Drag it off.
It's okay, Mommy.
Oh.
You can cut the tag later.
Ouch.
Hey, it's Max D! Maximum Destruction!
Do they build toys?
Huh?
Do they build toys?
Who? Or what? Yeah, they do. The people. The people who make toys. They build toys. Like Olaf and Maximum Destruction. Maya, are you going to drive it? Yeah? Okay, let's get it on! Okay, step aside, Olaf. Step aside. Mommy,
Yes.
turn on the truck or switch on the monster jump truck. Are you going to hit the bowling pins? Yeah? Go, Maya! Yeah! Yeah! Move away! Move away! Move away! Yeah! One more! There you go! Good job, Maya! Awesome job! Yes! Maximum destruction! Hit the bowling pins! Yeah! Maya is good. She's a good driver. That's for sure.
Whoa.
Nice. Oh! Woohoo! Hit mommy!
Oh no.
Hit mommy! Hit mommy! Woo! Nice one, Maya.
Feel the power. Go for it. Here we go.
Max D is stuck.
Monster Jam. Feel the power. Go for it.
Yeah.
Here we go. Monster Jam.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Feel the power.
Max D is stuck again.
Go for it.
Uh-oh. Stuck again. Stuck again.
Here we go. Monster Jam.
Yeah. Awesomeness. Hello, good morning, Mommy Rhea. How are you this morning?
Good.
All right. Wow, maximum destruction. Max DRC by New Bright. Oh yeah. Monster Jam creatures. Look at that. Nice. Action figure features radio control sound, light up eyes and moving mouth, posable arms and legs. Nice. Advanced technology 2.4 gigahertz race up to 6 vehicles, longer range, faster response with internal antenna, all batteries included. Yeah, light and sound. Vehicle features: full function RC, forward and reverse, left and right, lights and sounds. The back of the box, mommy.
Hey.
Nice. Dual joystick sound controller, instruction booklet included, full function RC. Awesomeness. The front of the box again, mommy.
Hi.
That's a big box, huh?
Oh.
Yeah. It's a big box. Okay, mommy, I'm going to take a picture now. Okay, 1, 2, cheese. Alright, got it.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, unboxing time.
Hey.
Well, you know what, mommy?
Yes.
It says, try me. Press any button for light and sound demo.
Monster Jam. Feel the power. Here we go.
Nice. Well, there you go. Nice. Again.
Monster Jam.
The other button. The other one. Okay, whatever. Unboxing time, mommy.
Feel the power. Here we go. Monster Jam.
Hahaha. Okay.
Wow.
It's a big box indeed. Nice. Max D. 11-time champion. Oh yeah, the champ. And there's the charger. Okay, the robot or the monster creature. As you can see, 3 AAA batteries are installed inside. Okay, so we have the charger, the controller, the lithium-ion battery, 2 AA batteries for the controller, the monster creature, and the track itself. Maximum destruction! Yeah! Go! Yeah! Yay! Oh my! Yeah! Ah, the dinosaurs! You hit the dinosaurs! Yeah! Ah, the T-Rex! Oh no! Triceratops! Yahay! The Spinosaurus! Whoa! Look at those dinosaurs! Are you going to hit the dinosaurs?
Yeah.
Okay, go! Whoa! 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 Yeah! Yeah! Whoa! Woohoo! Maximum destruction! Yeah! Go! Yeah! Go! Yeah! Woo! Those dinosaurs are tough! Yeah! Yeah! Whoa! Whoa! The dinosaurs are beaten! Yeah! The dinosaurs are all smashed! Yeah! It's a nice truck! Wow! Maximum destruction! Nice! Shut off the engine! There was a kick.